In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reset a Wi-Fi like this. So if you have a Wi-Fi like this and you want to reset it, this is what you need to do. So you just open the back like this and you should see something here. Mostly, you see mine is here, you can see reset here. Mostly you find yours around this side. It depends on the brand of the Wi-Fi you are using or the MiFi you are using. You should find it here. So when you see it there like this, what you need to do next is you get a pin, right? So get a pin and then put the pin in the hole. You can see my camera is showing something there, right? Just long press it. You feel it. You just long press it and that's it. It's going to reset. And when you reset, you are going to use the info that it's on the Wi-Fi's back. You are going to use this to log in once again. So the IP address, and then you use the admin and then the password again once again. And then you have to change everything. So I think I have a video already on that. That's going to help you change all that. I'm going to drop that video in this video description. Yeah. So you just hop on the IP. This is the IP. This is how it looks like. It depends on the type of this thing you're using. Enter the admin and admin again. You log in and then you change the password and all that. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it on how you reset this type of Wi-Fi. If it's HUAWEI, any type of Wi-Fi, and this is how we do it. Peace.